Yo, what's up? New Gamepad control update 1.4. This adds support for 2 touch points for the touchpad. So let's open up the mapping matrix. First tab is the same mappings. Now we have a new tab for the touchpad. As you can see, we have for touch point 1, XY. So let's map this. Here we go. But now if we hold another finger, let's map this. And we'll see that we have now control for 2 fingers, which we can do a lot of fun stuff with. I've also added, besides the pad touch, when you touch it, we can see it on. We also have the pad press, which can be both mapping or sending out a note, just pressing the pad here. Nice, and finally in the extra tab, we have here just a colored picker if you want. And you can also turn on the dynamic color, which we already had, which will change colors dynamically as you play the controller. Gyroscope, move to the right here, but it will only work when you plug it in. And now I can use the gyro. Plug it in and then you plug it out. It still works. So you just have to plug in momentarily and then you can use the gyroscope. Nice. Now we do also have a new Ableton template, a project, just to play around with those 2 touch points. It's called Touchpad Glitching. You have here 1 MIDI track with the gamepad control for all the mapping. It's already mapped. 2, an audio track here with the Pitch Loop 89 and a multi-map. Those 2 are free. You just download the Pitch Loop 89 pack, and this is from the Max for Live Essentials pack. And you can then load whatever audio tracks you want. Let me load an audio track here, audio clip. Let's load that. Now I can click on one. Let's bring the segment a bit higher. You can do a whole bunch of glitching with like that. Nice. Gamepad control 1.4. I'll catch you next time.